Hi, I'm John, the CEO of HydroKleen. A lot of people ask us, why should we use HydroKleen and not somebody else? Why can't I use the local air conditioning man? Unfortunately, the local air conditioning man just doesn't have access to the specifically built heavy-duty cleaning equipment that we've got. And the only people that have got these are HydroKleen franchisees. So it might be that when your air conditioning man comes to clean your air conditioner that in fact they don't actually clean this bit here, all these little fins and all of that dirt up in there. And in fact, I'm going to show you up in there. So what your air conditioning man will do most times is they'll clean the filters, which is these fellas here. So they'll get those clean and they'll give it a wipe, and generally that's about it. The most important bit hasn't been cleaned, which is all these little fins here, and this bit here, which is the fan, which sits up in there and blows all the air out. And of course you can see there's about 400 or 500 little fins on this, and they all need to be cleaned, and they just get covered in all sorts of contamination and mould and bits and bits as they're spinning around, much as a ceiling fan does. So when you have somebody to actually come and clean your air conditioners, you've got to make sure that they're going to clean all of this here and all of that up in there, because it's just imperative that for it to run correctly, to give you clean, healthy air, to save you money on your power bill and make it last longer, they have to be cleaned properly. And in most cases, air conditioning companies don't have that equipment. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration using the little generic cleaner, so you can just watch it here. It's pretty slow to clean. And then I'm going to show you ours. So now we're going to use our machine, and this is actually my old original prototype machine here. This is 7 years old and it's had one battery in it in its life. So I'm just going to show you how it does the same job. So here we go. So I think you can see just how much more quickly and how much cleaner a machine that's specifically designed to do what it's meant to do is over and above a little generic machine like the one we've just demonstrated.